In camp survival, I cannot stress water enough. Water, water, water. At least 1 gallon per person per day. These gallons I got from the big box store. It's Parents' Choice distilled water, and it's $1.50 for 1 gallon. So you can stock up on gallons, or you could have your whatever type you like. Take a case of water with you if you're going camping, or if you're in and trying to stock prep for more perilous times to come. Then make sure you have multiple sources of water. So it can be in these bottles, whatever brand you want. I'm not talking about the different brands right now and what's better and what's not better, because right now you just need to make sure that you have water in your prepper pantry. So water, water, water. These are $1.50, like I said, at Big Box Walmart. The reason why we have coffee right here in the campsite is because what if the lights are out for an extended period of time and we need one person to stay watch? Because if the lights are out for an extended period of time, people are going to venture to homes that they feel may have supplies. So you're going to need somebody that's going to stay watch, and they may need some extra caffeine to help keep them up. And it also gives you energy when you're cold, okay? To help you kind of stay warm, move around, okay? So water, 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 water filters, water purifiers. You can have water purification pills. You can have your Brita filter. You can have your Life Straw, any type of filters. You may also want to have water collection, something that you can collect water with outside. And then ways to purify that water once you bring that water inside. So think about water purification, water filtering, making sure that you have at least 1 gallon per person per day. Not just you, not just your family, but think about others too who did not prep like you're prepping and may want to come to your home, and then you don't have supplies enough for them. So if you have it in your budget, go ahead and buy extra when you can. Am I saying buy all of it at one time? No, I'm not. But each time you go to the store, maybe an extra gallon of water, maybe an extra case of water, maybe a water filter the next time, maybe a water purifier the next time, maybe water purification pills the next time, maybe a water collection item the next time. But little bit by little bit, please, please, please stock for you and your family. We are living in perilous times, and the time